How do you edit so good in CAPCUT LOL? What's up guys, back with another video. And today I am going to be showing you how to edit like EpicFNAFPlushies. So, of course, add your clips of your plushie first. Next, once you got that, then click on filters and scroll until you see humble. Once you see humble, make its opacity at least 50 for cinematic looks. Now drag your filter across your clips, then finally the fun part. Now here on YouTube search, or the VFX black screen. Now scroll and see what color of aura you want your plushie to be immersed in. Since Frostbear is blue, of course I'm going to pick blue aura. When you're done screen recording the aura, search Spark VFX black screen. And scroll until you see something like this. And then screen record it. Then, once you screen record both, go back into the CAPCUT app and import them, clicking overlay. Add overlay and import the aura clip, not the sparks. I know it doesn't look good right now. Trust me. Once you got your aura clip in your CAPCUT project, click splice, and then once it loads, click on asterisk overlay. Now look, your aura looks way better. Now, set your aura in place where you want your plush to be immersed in the aura. And once you got that, click on the aura overlay, animations, then find fade in or any other effect that looks cool. I personally like the fade in animation. Then expand your clip for how much time you want your aura overlay to be on the screen. Then, this diamond icon right here, click on it, and track your plushie by dragging it to fit in with the plush. If you don't want to watch this part of me editing on another clip, just skip to 11. Okay, now let's finish this up. Add your Spark VFX into the project. Make it fit in however you want it to fit in. Now Frostbear is blue, right? So I'm going to go to adjust, scroll left until you see grass. Then you want to experiment with it to match the color of your plushie. Since I don't know the color, I don't know how I'm going to help you with what color to make it. Okay, now I got my blue color. Got your color. But after that, you will click Splice Agent, and then click Filter, and then drag it across your clip or clips. And of course again, you will have to click the diamond effect and track your plush. Look how cool that looks. Now, you will click animations again, and click fade in again. And once you got that, you're done. Ask any more questions in the comments and get this vid to 50 likes for a sound design tutorial. With that being said, here's the final result.